Hi, we have Perry Yang, who is one of our students from the Certified Threat Modeling Professional course. Mr. Yang, would you like to share your experience on the program?
Of course. Yeah, the Certified Threat Modeling Professional certification, it's actually quite rare because I noticed I do a lot of threat modeling in my profession. And there aren't many certifications that focus on threat modeling. So when I actually looked at the curriculum for that certification, it's quite comprehensive. It goes through a lot of different models, a lot of different techniques, but not just that. Something I've noticed about all of your courses, they're very heavy on practical, hands-on practice. So I enjoyed actually going through a lot of the practical, going through all of the lessons, on demand, replaying them as and when, so it sinks in. Very useful. And at the end, and I haven't completed this one yet, there's a 6-hour torture exam, but I'm looking forward to doing that. I'm telling you, I really enjoyed this, and there's a number of other ones I want to pick up afterwards as well, in the DevOps realm. And it's been pretty good so far, so I'd strongly recommend this, I think.
Sure. Thank you very much for sharing your experience, Mr. Yang. We look forward to hosting you in more courses.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.